There are many products available to choose inflatable hot tubs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best inflatable hot tubs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Aleko 2-person 130 Jet Inflatable Hot Tub. For a compact patio or outdoor space, a 2-person hot tub may be just the thing. With a footprint similar to that of a patio dining table, the Aleko Inflatable Hot Tub provides a very cozy and relaxing experience. It even has 130 jets, which is more than some 4-person options. This hot tub is designed to accommodate up to 2 people in comfort. It doesn't include any built-in seating, our only real complaint, but that's fairly common for inflatable hot tubs. It does come with a space-saving drink tray to keep your favorite beverages handy though, which we love. Because it is oblong-shaped, you have 2 ways to use this hot tub. Each person can sit on one side with their legs extended, or side by side with their legs crossed. It's really too small for more than 2 people, which is why we think it's great for couples. Number 2. Intex PureSpa Plus Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. Designing a 6-person hot tub with enough space can be hard, but the Intex PureSpa Bubble Massage does just that. Although we could only comfortably fit 4 people in the Intex PureSpa Plus Inflatable Round Hot Tub, our best overall pick, despite being advertised to fit 6. You should not have that same problem with this hot tub because it is 8 inches wider. Therefore, there are plenty of seating areas for relaxation. While it is pricey, the Intex PureSpa Plus Hot Tub is a top-of-the-line choice packed with features. It has a whopping 140 jets and an adjustable LED light. The control panel can be removed for wireless control, and you can also use your smartphone to adjust the temperature, jets, and lights. This inflatable hot tub also provides real-time feedback, alerting you when you need to replace the filter and perform other maintenance. Number 3. Intex PureSpa Plus Inflatable Round Hot Tub. After many months of testing, the Intex PureSpa Plus Inflatable Hot Tub remains our best overall pick, largely because of its comfortable headrests and relaxing jets. We were pleasantly surprised by how enjoyable it was to sit on the hot tub floor, despite only a thinly insulated layer and a ground cover with a bubble wrap-like material at the bottom. It's also quite durable, showing no wear or tear aside from a minor scuff mark through several months of use. Although it can fit 6 adults, we think it would be too crowded, and everyone would need to sit with their legs crossed. It's far more comfortable with 4 or fewer since that leaves enough room to extend your legs without issues. Additionally, it includes 2 headrests to enhance your comfort, allowing you to relax and rest your head while enjoying the soothing warmth of the water. Number 4. Intex 4-person Inflatable Square Hot Tub. The Intex PureSpa Plus is packed with features including a color-changing LED light, adjustable headrests, soothing bubble jets, a removable remote control panel, and an energy-saving cover. The color-changing LED light can cycle between 7 colors, which is fun, and you can manage it and other settings, like heat, from the removable control panel. The control panel is handy, and we like that you can remove it from its charging dock and use it from inside the hot tub. Since we weren't able to connect the hot tub to Wi-Fi to use the phone app, we relied entirely on the control panel. We use this hot tub for entertainment and some mild hydrotherapy, and we think it's a good size for 2 people, or 2 adults and a child. It felt very comfortable with 2 people, and a little cramped with a toddler added, and the temperature adjusted down to a safe level. Number 5. Cozy Inflatable Adult Bathtub. Installing a hot tub indoors may be less complex than adding a permanent spa or tub, and while most picks on this list can technically be used inside, we wanted to offer a choice that could simplify the process for you a bit. The Cozy Inflatable Adult Bathtub comes in 4 colors and can be blown up in seconds with the included electric air pump. It's smaller than the 2, 4, and 6 adult sizes, which aren't always feasible for indoor spaces, but still offers a comparable level of relaxation for indoor soaking for 1 person. Speaking of comfort, there's even a cup holder, so your favorite beverage will never be more than an arm's length away. It's also designed with built-in cushions and pads to ensure you get the most comfortable position possible while it's in use. It has a built-in cover that helps you retain heat while it's in use and keeps water from splashing out. This is especially helpful since it lacks a built-in heater. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.